Assalamu alaikum viewers, this is Atif Rahman with another episode of Twin Cooking on Twin TV. Joining me today is one of my twins, Mukarrama Hurali. Her brother is asleep so he can't join us. Today we will be learning how to make KFC style chicken burger, KFC or Popeye style chicken burger. Very delicious recipe, amazing for Ramadan iftari time. So come on in and let's see the ingredients. Okay, to start off, I have taken one chicken breast. It's about 150 grams. 4 tablespoons of lemon water. Half teaspoon of salt to taste. Half teaspoon of black pepper. Half teaspoon of red chilies. 1 beaten egg. And then the abedu flour. Abedu crispy flour. If you use this, you will not need your breadcrumbs. This flour is good for having the flour and works for the breadcrumbs. So I have taken 2 tablespoons right now, and then once I add the chicken to it, I will add about an extra tablespoon on top of it. So let's get started by cutting the chicken. So what you want to do is you want to take it from this side and then cut it just about halfway, like so. And then with your hand, just press it a little bit. And then just cut about 3 lines into it. And here we go. This is how it should look before putting in the seasoning. Now let's start marinating it. First, put it into the lemon water. I'll just move it a bit closely. And then just add the seasonings. And then just mix it well. And now ideally you want to place it in the fridge overnight, but at least do it for an hour before you start cooking it. Alright viewers, so the hour has passed, and now we will first dip the chicken breast into the egg. Just a slight dip is fine. A lot of times I see people adding too many eggs. It's really not needed. Just a slight dip is fine, like this much. And then just add it to your abedo. And then add the extra flour on top. And now mix it well with both your hands. Make sure each and every part of your chicken breast is touched by the flour. Right now I see it's not enough, so I'm going to add a little bit extra to it. About another teaspoon. And now it's ready to be put in to the deep fryer. And now we will put it into the deep fryer. And now we'll wait for about 5 to 7 minutes is the ideal time. Alright viewers, so while the chicken is getting ready, we will start working on the mayo. The quantity is based on 1 burger, so I have taken 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1/4 teaspoon salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon red chili pepper. So just mix it all into the mayo. Now if you do not prefer to eat the spicy, you can take the red chili out and just add the black pepper and the salt, and then just mix it well. Okay, viewers, now it's past 6 minutes, so we'll just give it another minute for the sandwich, the chicken, and we will start working on the buns. I will place it in the toaster. Now, for the toaster, just put it as long as you like. Everyone has their own preferred setting, how well they like their buns to be. In the meantime, I have also prepared the tomatoes and the lettuce. So we'll just wait another minute and then we'll get started. Alright, so now the bun is ready and we will start off by putting up in the mayo. This is the nice and spicy version. Trust me, when you use this recipe, you will not be able to tell the difference between the ones that you buy at a fast food restaurant like KFC or Popeyes. In fact, it will actually taste a bit better than that. Just don't take my word for it, just try out the recipe and you'll know. And then just put 2 pieces of tomatoes, some lettuce, and finally put in the chicken breast on top, and that's all you need for this. You don't need any extra ingredients. And there we go, your perfect chicken burger, fried chicken burger, zinger burger. Try it out this Ramadan, make it for yourself and your family, and leave a comment below if you do, and remember us in your prayers. Until we see you again, take care. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Atif Rahman and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe and share it with everyone you know. Plus, don't hesitate to leave a comment below and press the bell icon button so you can get up-to-dates on all of our new videos every single day. I can't wait to see you next time on my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.